Incoming wave alert. I need to talk to my fellow empaths right now because I'm picking up something as we speak. So there's nothing showing up in the charts right now. The space weather's quiet. The Schumann's flat. On paper, there's nothing happening. And yet, I'm feeling it. So I know that you probably are too. There's a massive collective distortion that's rolling in right now. It's big. We can feel it. And it's got that physical radiation type feel to it again. Now, this is exactly how it works for us. This is how we roll. You know, you were fine 10 minutes ago, genuinely fine. And then bam, like out of nowhere, a subtle shift and something moves into the field. And then suddenly your body's going, whoa, okay, what is this? And the regular people out there, they have no idea. You know, they're out there doing their jobs, they're running their errands, they're just completely oblivious because they're not wired like us. We're the canaries in the coal mine. We feel it first, we feel it before it's news anywhere. And here's where it gets you. It hits your weakest system. And I can't tell you which one it is for you because it's not a one size fits all. So for you, it could be your nervous system. For another, it could be neurological. For another, it could be the gut. But whatever your weak spot is, that's where it lands. And then here we go, the spiral. Oh no, why do I feel like this? I was fine just a second ago. What is this? Is it a spike? Am I dying? Is it an aneurysm? And our imagination just runs, right? We spin the whole story. But Spirit says, don't get sticky. Don't follow the sticky stuff because here's the truth. You're picking this up because it's in contrast to your natural vibrational state. It's density, and density feels different to us. It feels heavy. It feels wrong because you are the light. The problem is that empaths carry a lot of fear. So when the density rolls in, the fear grabs it and then it becomes glue, and now you're stuck to it. And your brain, remember, it's programmable. It goes, oh, okay, this is what we're doing now. And then it tells the body, this is what you're going to feel. And then there's your whole day gone, just completely shot. So we're not doing that today. Here's your move. You don't need to figure out what the wave is. I'm not going to sit here and try and hunt down its origin. I don't care what it is. I care about staying in my light, staying out of the fear, and recognizing it's just a density clash with my frequency. That's all it is. And then I get proactive instead of counterproductive. I move the body. I hydrate. I bring in light, fruits, vegetables, my supplements, my herbs. Remember, you're not broken. You're not dying. You're a frequency generator picking up a wave before it hits the news. So stay in your light. Don't get sticky and let it roll through.